Good morning students, welcome to English class of Crossbridge Girls College, Prayagraj. Students, let's start the chapter. Today I am going to continue the chapter A Letter to God. In the previous video you learned that Lencho write a letter addressing God and he himself post it to the post office. When he posted it, the postman of the office took the letter and he was very much surprised to see such a letter in which address of God address of God is right. After that, the postman gave such letter to his postmaster. He was also surprised to see this letter and laughing loudly. But after some time he became serious and he come to an idea. In order not to shake the writer's faith in God, राइटर का फेथ गॉड पर बना रहे. राइटर कौन है? लेंचो है. लेंचो का फेथ गॉड पर बना रहे, इसलिए पोस्टमास्टर ने उस पत्र का उत्तर देने के लिए सोचा. कौन सा आइडिया है? आंसर द लेटर. बट व्हेन ही ओपनड इट वाज एविडेंट दैट टू आंसर इट ही नीडेड समथिंग मोर देन गुडविल, इंक एंड पेपर. बट ही स्टक ऑफ हिज रिजोल्यूशन मीन्स फर्म डिसीजन. ही आस्क्ड for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. Act of charity मतलब दान का कार्य. When the postmaster opened the letter, he found that except the goodwill, ink and paper, it needed more to answer the letter. What need? It needed 100 pesos because Lencho asked 100 pesos from the god. But he stuck to his resolution. Although the postmaster have not enough money, but he stuck to his resolution. He stuck to his firm decision. He collected some money from his employees. He himself gave some part of his salary and his several friends giving some money in this act of charity, and they feel obliged in this act. It was impossible for him to gather the 100 pesos, so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. It was impossible for the master to collect 100 pesos at once time, so he sent only half, then little more than half. आधे से अधिक पैसा ही भेज पाया. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature God. He put the money in the envelope and he also signed a signature of God and put it into the envelope and send it to the Lencho. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postmaster himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Next Sunday, Lencho came very earlier at the post office asking for his letter. He was very much confident that God had sent him money. It was the postman himself. Postman himself gave letter, handed over the letter to Lencho, and the postmaster, who had been doing such a super act, such a charity act, looked from his office. That what satisfaction shown on the Lencho's face. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence. He was very confident. He has deep faith in the God. When he saw the money, the Lencho not surprised to see the money because he has a great faith in the God. But he became angry when he counted the money. When he counted the money, he became very angry because God could not have made a mistake nor could have denied Lencho what he had requested. But when he counts the money, he became angry and thinks that God could not have made a mistake in sending him 30 pesos short. वह सोचता है कि भगवान उसको 30 रुपये कम पैसा नहीं भेजेंगे, वह ऐसी गलती नहीं कर सकते हैं. How could God deny his request? He at once asked for paper and ink. Immediately Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. Paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow. Wrinkling caused by the efforts he had to make to express his ideas. He asked paper and ink, and he starting a write a letter again to the God. And he has a wrinkling on his brow because he feel वेरी मच एफर्ट व्हेन ही वॉज राइटिंग. जब वह लिख रहा था, अपने आइडियाज़ को व्यक्त कर रहा था, तो उसको बहुत मेहनत पड़ रही थी, इस वजह उसके भौं पर झुर्रियाँ पड़ गईं. व्हेन फिनिश्ड ही वेंट टू द विंडो टू बाई अ स्टैम्प विच ही लिक्ड मीन्स चाटना, एंड देन अफिक्स्ड चिपकाया टू द इन्वेलप्ड विद द ब्लो ऑफ हिज फिस्ट. फिस्ट मीन्स मुट्ठी. व्हेन ही कंप्लीट हिज राइटिंग ही बाई अ स्टैम्प लिक्ड इट एंड अफिक्स्ड द stamp on the envelope. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. When he posted it on the mailbox, Lencho went to his home. After that, the postman opened the letter. It said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 17 pesos reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. जब पोस्टमैन ने खोला लेटर को तो उसमें क्या लिखा था? God, what you send me? Only 70 pesos I have reached. मुझे केवल 70 रुपये मिले हैं. Please send me the rest. बचे हुए पैसे मुझे भेज दीजिए. Because I needed it very much. But don't send it. He warned to God. He instructed God. क्या इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है? डोंट सेंड इट टू मी थ्रू द मेल बिकॉज द पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज आर बंच ऑफ क्रूक्स. ही इंस्ट्रक्टेड द गॉड अगेन you don't send the money from the mail because the post office employees are very dishonest. They are untrustworthy. Lencho complained against the post office employees. Such his faith was in God. Students, here your lesson is complete. Revise this lesson perfectly. Thank you.